How to delete photos from your Google Photos without deleting them from your phone. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can delete your photos from your Google Photos but keep them in your phone. So let's dive in. So for this process you do not have to open the Google Photos app on your phones. Just close the Google Photos app and then open any browser that you have on your phone. Now you have to search for Google Photos on your web browsers and it's going to bring you to your Google Photos. Now you simply have to choose the picture that you want to delete. And now here you can see you have this trash can on the top right corner. Choose it. Now you can see that it has been moved to trash, but it will still remain on my phone because I opened it in my browser and then I deleted it only from my Google Photos. So that's a process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.